Mane jatin migao Rafael Tuju masani kuome mokorot kaluore kod ng'eto mar domo malo mayiene bengi mar EADB mondo mi opem mwandune achiel kuom magawa mage boma Nairobi koro ndikone ogai mar doho mondo mi odonjre buchene. Tuju manochopo e doho mar Supreme kawuono dwaro mondo doho odoge buche kod bengi mar EADB ewi hola manokao kendo ng'iyo godo magawano ewi gino mowacho ni bura machielo ma ODPP kod apisa to jenero makone bengi mar EADB owinjo yal mapiyo mondo mi oyud resruok. Kamano bende Tuju dwaro mondo do ondhi jotelo mowacho ni tiyo kod jonjore monjo magawa mare ma buche ponichire doho.
You can go to court files and find that there's a criminal case against the bank at the Magistrates Court, which was caught by, it happened, it has been done by the DCI, it has been scrutinized by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. It got consent even from the AG's office, because the AG and the ODPP is prosecuting the bank together. And then there's this brilliant maneuver, legal strategy, to keep that case on ice and give time for the other cases against me to proceed. I don't know whether this story that some goons were already arrested is true or is fake news, but one of the appeals I'm making to the DCI is that I did report criminal activity by one of the law firms on this matter. I gave evidence from court records, I gave witnesses that should be interviewed, and 2 months later, I think they're very busy, they have not been able to deal with it.
Kodi weche mag kuyo ringre mane jariemb ndege retired Colonel Cap